Ay, Diyos Maria Josep, man!
No. Did he didn't stop. He didn't stop, did he? He didn't stop. He didn't stop. He didn't stop.
Saw it? Stupid. He's trying to be smart. That's what happens.
Holy
That guy crashed into us. Yeah, are you okay, guys? That's amazing.
good. I'm glad they don't live on 88. Whoa! Whoa!
Did they hit each other?
Yep.
Kind of looked like it.
I'll have to pull over and give them my info for
nice.
dash cam.
Oh my god.
Chocolate cake just appeared. And my rent just got paid. Maybe not, but you will get more new music discovery. Download the free radio.com app, favorite us, and listen to 1077 The End anytime, anywhere.
Perfect. It's just going to be verbal at this time.
That's all you gotta do.
I just spun around on Manchester. I'm in an accident.
Are you okay?
Oh, my car's probably totaled.
Okay, hold on. What car is totaled?
Mine.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
So what happened?
Bakit? Oh my God! Iyan!
Binangga tayo eh.
My God! My God!
Na ano ka?
Sakit dito! Call ka!
God damn it!
Oh my God. Oh, the guy behind me.
Did what?
He came flying up at 105 kilometers an hour in the last minute. Just slammed on his brakes. Then the guy behind him had to fucking go out under the shoulder. Wow, he's getting out. He's getting out!
Why is he getting out?
He's yelling at the guy behind him. Oh, he just hit him.
What?
He hit his car.
What the fuck?
I got the whole thing on camera too, including my excitement. Best drive home yet.
What? So, what guy slammed on his brakes?
The guy right behind us
Yeah.
came to a screeching halt, sending the red car behind him out into the oncoming lane because he didn't want to smash in the back.
Was he not slowing down either? Were neither of them looking ahead?
I don't know what these two idiots have been doing. My guess is that they probably passed each other just before this all happened. And we're going way too fast for the stop sign, which there's a sign for like half a mile.
Oh my God! They were not. Don't move! Stop! Oh my. Oh my God! This is not.
Is it your
good.
fault?
I stopped.
Okay, just stop.
Let's call 911.
911.
Don't get out.
No, don't get out. Do not get the fuck out.
What the? What the? Holy.
John baptized Jesus. When he did, the Spirit of God appeared.
Misrecognition. Available options are
Why is this chick backing up? Hey.
You okay?
Oh, some chick just rear-ended me.
Are you okay?
No? Hey! 7BGJ567. Can you write that down? 7BGJ567. 7BGJ567.
7BGJ6.
7 boy girl Jack 567.
Okay, I just texted to you. What? Did you get it on the camera?
She's ignoring me. Okay, I'm gonna call 911.
Okay. Just
All right.
call me back when you can.
Alright, bye. Call 911.
calling emergency services.
What are you reporting?
Hi, I was at a stoplight and somebody driving a manual transmission Volkswagen Beetle, they didn't know what they were doing and they hit me, and she's refusing to pull over, and I'm right behind her.
Are you still moving?
Yeah, we're driving. I've tried to get her to pull over. I've honked at her, and she won't even look at me. She's just driving like usual.
Okay, and where were you at? What intersection?
It was on